Joshua!
Frank?
We're out of paper towels.
That's it? That's all you needed?
Yeah, I need to wipe my booty.
Dude, don't ever scare me like that again. You know what? Take this and go wipe your booty. I'm gonna go watch my movie. So, how does it feel to die?
My blood was everywhere. It rushed into my heart and my veins just popped. So yeah. Ready, set, action. Set, you have to keep your head right there. Okay, alright. Ready, set, action.
Frank?
Again.
Frank? Not the right one. Alright, come on, fold your arms. Dude, come on, dude, they only have a little bit of time left. Are you ready?
Alright, then just in case I don't want to catch up. Okay, do it again.
Go. No, hey, when I get close to you, blink, alright? Or just blink right now if you want. Alright, action.